Glad that you could be here. I'm going to be showing you how to make a standard jet paper airplane. This is a great paper airplane for the activity that you have coming next for PE. You may already know how to make a paper airplane, your own type, or maybe this type. If that's the case, you can make your own type of paper airplane. If you are learning this type of paper airplane for the first time, I definitely suggest pausing the video as needed so you have time to follow each step. Go back if you miss a step. So you're going to start with a piece of paper, regular size piece of paper. Great to use scratch paper, but you want to make sure it still has some kind of firmness to it. Sometimes pieces of scratch paper, if they've been used a lot, they get really soft, and those aren't the best for paper airplanes. So we're going to start by folding our paper airplane in half. We used to call this hot dog style when I was a kid. Or perhaps you call this the landscape. So here we go. We got our fold right down the middle like this. Now we're going to take the top of the paper and we're going to fold it down at the top. So I took one corner and I folded it down to the middle. That middle line is really important. And then I'm going to take the other side and do the same thing. So I took each of the top corners and I folded it down like this. Now here comes a tricky fold, so be ready for this. We're going to take this part, this corner right here of the triangle, and we're going to fold it over. So I'm taking it and I'm folding it over to that middle line. So again, if you need to go back and see what to do, go ahead and rewind. But what I did is I took it here, it was like this, and then I folded it over to here. So now I've got half of my airplane. I'm going to do the same thing to the other half. I'm going to take this corner here, and I'm going to fold it down to the halfway line. So it goes like this. Now, your first paper airplane you try may, come out not the best. So hopefully you have a few extra pieces of paper so you can perfect it. Make a few of them, decide which one works best. So this is what my paper now looks like because I folded it down towards the middle. Almost finished already. We're going to fold the plane in half now. You know the word symmetrical, right? We have a symmetrical shape here. We're going to fold it along our line of symmetry. And now it looks like this. We want to have nice crisp folds if possible. So I'm getting it nice and straight with my fingers. Okay, almost here. Now we just need our wings. So it looks like this now. Have it folded. Now I'm going to take each side and I'm going to fold the wing down. Now here's where you have some options. You can make smaller wings by not folding it down as much, or bigger wings by folding it down more. I like pretty big wings. I find it flies a little straighter that way. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to fold it down like this, giving me a wing and a body of the plane on the bottom. Okay. Now I'm going to take the other side. I'm going to do the same thing. Now this is an important step because I want to make sure the wings are the same size. Otherwise, the airplane's not going to fly very well. So I'm actually going to place it down like this. I'm going to fold over the other wing so it's right on top of the wing I already folded. So there, my wings are about the same size. And now I fold up my wings so they're nice and straight. And you have a jet paper airplane, a great one for the activities that we're doing, especially when we're aiming for accuracy. When we do our accuracy activity, this is the airplane I'm going to use. You're welcome to decorate it. Don't spend your entire PE time decorating your airplane, but always nice to add a little color, maybe a few stickers if you got them, and have fun.